as events get started, it's time to start thinking about our face masks and what we're going to wear while we're DJing. I'm going to walk you guys through the ins and outs of face masks right now. As we're getting started with doing events again, it's time to start thinking about face coverings. It's not pretty, but we got to do it. So why am I versed in face coverings? Why should I be telling you what to wear? Well, I wear these things every single day. That is the medical grade N95 mask that you've been hearing about. So, by day, I've been dealing with the front lines of COVID for the past 4 months. I know a thing or two about wearing PPE at this point. Also why I haven't made many videos recently, because I've been a little bit busy. I mean, not DJing, but doing that. So I want to walk through a couple of the different options for face masks and tell you guys which ones I recommend and what I'm going to be using once I go back to doing my events. So first off, the most basic face mask. This is your standard surgical mask, expands, wire bridge, and these are great. These are what the majority of people should be wearing if they don't have something maybe a little bit nicer or a cloth mask. Like this is the cheap, easy, and you can pretty much get these everywhere now. There was a while that you couldn't get them, but you can get them everywhere now. Some people are like, oh, I'm gonna wear N95s at all my events. If they have staff, they have crew that comes with them, they're all gonna wear N95s. Let me tell you something about the N95 as someone who wears it all the time. This thing sucks to wear. I mean, I wear it for hours. I wear it, I've gotten sores on the bridge of my nose. These things suck to wear. They suck to breathe in and they suck to wear, okay? The other thing is, these are not designed for you just to take it off the shelf and put it on. These require fit testing, which is kind of a complicated process. And if you're not fit tested, then you shouldn't be wearing them. The way that these work is this makes a full seal on your face, and so nothing gets out. And the N95 is because it filters out 95% of the particulate matter coming through. If you're not fit tested, you could be getting air in through the bridge of your nose, through the sides, through the bottom, and then it completely defeats the purpose of wearing a mask. This is doing you no good. That's why something like this is great. You don't have to get fit tested. Everyone can wear them. They make a good cover. And does it filter out 95% of the particulates? No, but it filters out a lot, and it keeps you from spreading your germs. So speaking of spreading your germs, let's talk about these masks. You can get them on Amazon. They're pretty popular. Nice bridge piece. They're called pollution masks. A little filter inside. But there's a problem with these. The big thing with wearing masks right now is that it's designed to prevent you from spreading your germs to other people. It does filter out some of the air coming to you, but it's to keep you from spreading disease. These little exhaust ports here means that your air, your breath, your germs are getting out into the air, and it's defeating the purpose of wearing a mask. It will protect you, but it doesn't protect anyone else. This does a better job at protecting you and other people, and it's important that we protect everyone. So, I've already said I'm not going to be wearing one of these when I'm doing an event. And I did borrow this from my job, and it is going back to my job tomorrow where it will be used. So don't worry, I'm not wasting these things because these things are hot commodity. But the cloth face coverings. These ones are super cool. I like these ones a lot. And I got these from a place called Ghost Circus Apparel. I bought 2 to start. And this is one of them. This is just your basic soft face covering. I like it a lot. It's super comfortable. It fits really well. It covers my nose, down under my chin, which is what you want, and it's easy over the ears. So Ghost Circus doesn't know I'm making this video. They haven't given me anything for free. They're not paying me. I've bought these with my own money. But ghostcircusapparel.com and get yourself some of these cloth face coverings. They're awesome. This is like my everyday mask, and I bought a couple of extra ones since I bought my first 2. They do have a second one, and this one's more of a canvas material, thinner elastics, and it looks kind of like a black surgical mask, but it's like heavy duty material, and it's got a nose piece on there. Again, it fits really well. I like it a lot. This will be probably the mask if I'm out doing a wedding and somewhere that we still need to be wearing masks, and honestly we should probably still be wearing masks for a while. This is the mask that I'm wearing. I'm considering this my formal wear mask. The other cool thing about this mask, I believe this one is the OG. This is the OG. This is the Ninja. It does have a pocket for you to put some of those filters in that you've been seeing with some of the other masks. So you can wear a filter with this if you'd like to. They have a whole bunch of cool designs. They're always changing stuff up. I like this one a lot. This is another one I got. It's got the camo on it. I love my camo. So highly recommend that you go check them out. Go circusapparel.com. I'll put them down in the links in the comments there for you guys. So that's a quick basic mask 101. If you guys have questions on face masks, PPE, keeping yourself safe, and kind of what I'm doing, you know, on my day job to keep myself safe and how I'm translating that into DJ and events when they come back for me here in Massachusetts, it's probably still going to be a while. Please let me know. Drop some questions in the comments. I know it's been a while since I put some videos out for you guys. Obviously, as I said at the beginning of this video, been a little bit busy, which is good, just not DJing. Oh well. Also, I owe you guys some SoundSwitch content. I know that. Most of the people that watch this channel probably watch for the SoundSwitch content. I'm going to be putting out some more stuff other than SoundSwitch pretty soon. But I am working on a new SoundSwitch video for you guys because 2.2 is out and it's awesome. So if you are not already, please subscribe, like, dislike, I don't really care. Hit the bell, all those things that people ask you to do when you're watching their YouTube channels. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.